Rahim. This topic is O levels linear algebra or linear programming. Okay, and we have a paper October 2006 and question number 9. And in this question, we have given here that 1 week he spent he works. Okay, he worked for some school holidays. Okay, so 1 day he spent X hours on cleaning cars. So cleaning cars, I write here X hours he works on cars, cleaning cars. Okay, and Y hours are repairing cycles. So I'm writing here Y hours in repairing cycles. Okay, so this idea is clear. All right. And further, every question you must know what is X and what is Y. And this inequality is given by him, so I will not work out for it and just write as it is. This inequality I have already given. Okay. Now he said no more than 12 hours working. For example, your father says that you cannot spend more than 100 real. It means 100 real and below. So this is idea behind. So 100 real and below. And we can say that you cannot spend more than 100. You cannot spend more than 100. So it means 100 and below. Similarly here, not more than 12 hours working. So 12 hours, I'm writing here 12. So naturally 12 and 11 and 10. So 12 hours and less. So for which working? Working on cars? No. Working on cycles? No, all together. So x plus y is less than equals to 12. Alhamdulillah, we got second inequality very, very clear. Okay, let's talk about the next inequality. And I talk about he spent at least 4 hours on cleaning cars. And because cars he talk about, so x. So I write here x. And this number 4, I write here done. And now because he said at least, let me check. He said what? He said at least 4 hours. So four,
and more.
5, 6. So it means four and it's upward. So this is my equal sign and above. So four and above, this is my answer for this part is clear. So let me complete it now. Inequality is done. And next part, he said, write down two more inequalities, which I have finished my task. Okay. Draw x and y 0 to 12 and 1 centimeter to 1 unit for each axis. It means if I have a this kind of boxes, for example, 1 centimeter, here 0, here 1, here 2, here 1, here 2. So this is a plan behind. Inshallah, I'll show you next page. Inshallah. And he said draw three line inequalities and shade unwanted part. That is also very clear. And let me write inequality because I will not turn my page again. So that is why read. Tiago receives $3 each for repairing cars. So one car he received $3. So three ones are three. Two cars, three into two, you got a $6 receipt. And X cars, so three times two X give you 3X this money received on cars. Okay. And plus, and for the repairing cycles 1.5. So 1.5 into Y. So I get a 1.5 Y. So this is the money he received from the repairing cycles. Okay, is equals to what it's called. It's called amount. You say amount received word, or you can say that only amount is better. So I'm writing here amount. So we have equation is very, very clear. So I will use this one and find the least amount receive he could or a maximum amount. So we will work for two things, least amount or the largest amount. So we go for the two things, least and largest. So let's see how we can do this question complete now. And let's go for the next page. So now I'm going to sketch here. Okay, I'm going to draw here. Yes, students. So now I'm going to go of drawing. So first of all, I've decided. So I will make a lines here. First of all, look the way. I'll make it here x-axis and y-axis. This is x-axis, and now I'll make y-axis. Done. And I make arrow on both sides. You know the way. And right here y is equal to 0. You know that y x-axis equation is given. But because he mentioned that 1 centimeter one, and no need to label everything. So one here 1, 2, 3, here 4, here I label 4, here 8, here 12. You can label a few numbers only. No need to label full. 4, here 8, and here 12. I think very, very clear. Even check it 1, 2, 3, 4. That is why 4 here. So it is very, very clear. No need to label every number. No need to label every number. Okay, save your time only. And you are so lucky. Latest papers. This kind of scaling is given by examiner. It is old paper. That is why. Come back. How to make it this diagram, this line? How to make it? How to draw it? And you know very well. One time x0 and one time y0 and one constant given. So because whenever constant given x0 y0 best idea. And when I put x0 x0 gone, so y value is equal to 12, and that is why I got a 12. And when I put a y0 here, y gone, so x value becomes 12. It is very, very clear. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. X0, Y12 is here, and X12, Y0 is here. You know very well. Okay, now I'm going to sketch it, and let's see how I can make a line 12 and okay. Wait a minute, please, because a very accurate plotting I have to do here. Very, very accurate plotting. Okay, so I have done the first line and I rub these numbers from here. Okay, and I write equation anywhere. Okay, I write here down x. Okay, let me write a different color so visible. I'm writing a blue. X plus y is less than equal to 12. This is my equation of the line for this. And let's talk about other two lines are so simple. This no need table. Why not? Because x is bigger than 4. Okay, you know this is called x is equal to 0. So this line x is equal to 0, x is equal to 4, x is equal to 8, x is equal to 12. But I need to make equation x is equal to 4. So I make a line which passes through 4. Get ready. I think this line is so clear. So alhamdulillah, I make a line, little bit tilted, but anyway, not that much. Okay. So let me make arrow on the both side. And here I'm writing x is bigger than equal to 4. I have finished two lines. Okay. And let's talk about the other line. Okay. Another line I'll make it, which is this one. This one. How to make it now? This is interesting. I said before. I said before, whenever we have a look at here, we have y, we have x, but have no constant. Constant means like 5, 1 add or 2 add or 10 subtract, whatever. When no constant given, so we put x0, but we don't put y0, wrong. Okay, when I put x0 in the place of x for a while, I'll take equation sign. And let me rub this one. Okay, I take y is equal to x. For a while, I remove inequality, I wrote equal sign. When I put x0 here, what happens? When I put x0, so y becomes 0. That's it. And when I put any x number, for example, I put any number I like, any number. So put x is equal to, I can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, whatever. I like to put, for example, 12. So when I put 12 in the place of x, so 12 goes here, so y is equal to, so it becomes y equal to 12 as well. I think very, very clear. X is 0, y is 0, and x is 12, and y is 12. We can put any number. You put 6, 6, no issue. So let me plan. 0, 0 is here, and 12, 12 is somewhere here. Here, 12. How 12, 12? Look at this point. X is 12, and y is also 12. So it means this point is very, very clear. Okay. So let's start, and I rub the rest part. Okay. So my points are this, and my points are this. So let's draw it. Okay. First of all, let me. I'll make it accurate, inshallah. Wait a minute, please. I use a line. Okay. So let's start because small mistake can create a trouble for us. I think so this line is accurate line. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Yes, I made the line and now I will label here. I label here on the top. And what is labeling? Y is bigger than equal to X. So I have labeled all three lines. Okay. This blue line, I rub it and make it again because blue line, because all red color line. So that is why. And I make a line. I think this is a, no, it's not accurate. And let me make again because small mistake your answer may be wrong. So that is why be careful. Be careful about plotting. Okay, about sketching. Okay, I hope so. Not that much ideal, but still okay. Still okay. Make line on the line. I think clear. So let's make an arrow on the both end. Clear. Okay, clear. Now let's start shade unwinding part. I'll take a green color shade. So why x is bigger? X is bigger, common sense. X value is bigger right hand side. Look at here, x is bigger right hand side. You can see it bigger. This is called wanting part, but I will shade unwanting part, so I will take backward. So this is called unwanting part shading. So this is a very, very clear. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. This clear. Let's talk about this inequality bottom here. Don't care about x, don't care about number, care about only y. And when I shade y is lesser, so common sense, y is lesser below the line. Look at here. I'm showing you the line. So y is lesser below the line. But I
Okay,
will
let's
shade
enter
where? I
it
will
here.
shade above the line. I will shade above the line. So I'm shading above the line is very, very clear. So look, I'm shading above the line. So I think concept is not at all hard at all here. Easy. Last part and final part, y in bigger. Don't care about x, care about only y. Y is bigger. So bigger is where how y is value bigger, always above the line. Common sense is always above the line, always above the line. But I will shade down below unwanting part. So shade below. So when I shade below, so my answer is coming very clear. And let me write a red color. This is my triangle and this is my answer. Okay, first part is over. Now I'm going for the least amount he receive and largest amount he receive. So I'm looking for least and the largest amounts. So now let me rub the table and then I use this space to find the least and the largest. So this equation I'm writing here. Get ready. So amount formula is what here? Amount formula according to plan is given 3x plus 1.3x plus 1.5y. So let's see how we can handle this part. Inshallah, I believe easy, inshallah, not that much hard. Okay. So you can see now. First, let me label. Is hours. He because mostly hours in our whole numbers. I can take whole numbers. For example, I take a blue color and look at here. This is a one blue point, blue spot. Okay. Now this is a this one's blue spot. We have many. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Actually, we have 9 points. Actually, we have 9 points total in this diagram. But let's see which part to use to find the least and largest. So common sense, out of these four, I will not waste my time to calculate every point. No, one, two, three, four, no need to. For I will take this one as the largest and this as the least. Okay, this is the least. And rest, no, I will not use at all. So let me rub the red the extra parts, extra circles. I'm rubbing. I'm rubbing. So I will take only which is specific, which is important for us. Let me label. Okay, for example, x is what here 4 and y is what here 4. Again, at this point, x is 4 and y is also 4. Let me label it 4, comma 4, 1 point. Okay, and label this point. What is x4 and what is y8? So I take x4, y8. So these 2 points I take. Okay, now from these 2 points, why I waste my time? I will take I will take here. I can take two a middle point. No need to waste your time. Okay. So naturally I can talk about the top and the bottom, but no problem. You can use even and even when I have an online 1 point is taken this one taken this one middle point I can skip middle point I can skip. So it means when I have this one, middle point, no need to take it. So I'm rubbing the middle point also. So I rub the middle point. Similarly, on this line, I have the this corner, this one, I have it. So no need to take the middle point. So middle point, you can skip even no problem at all. Even you take it, no issue, but only waste of time. So these 3 points I will take. This point I took here, this point I took here, and last point I'll take this one here. And what is x here? X is 6. And what is y here? 6 also. So 6 comma 6. So let me calculate one by one every answer. Inshallah, I believe you will understand. This x value will go in the place and this 4 value in the place of y. So let's calculate x and y one by one. One by one. I will 1.5 times to 4. Okay. Now space issue. So let me check it. 4 3s are 12 and plus 1.5 times to 4. It is giving 18. Okay, $18. 18. Okay. Let's talk about the second. 4 put here, 8 put there. So when I put 4 and 8, let's see. 3 times to 4. and 1.5 times to 8. And let me check this answer what? Again, 12 plus 1.5 times to 8 is giving $24. Okay. And last, this 6 comes here and 6 comes here. So I'll put one by one. So 3 times to 6 and 1.5 times to 6 again. So let me check. 3 6 are 18 and plus 1.5 into 6, it give you $27. So if I check it here, so least amount he can receive is, let me write least amount and then I write largest amount. I write both amounts. So least amount and largest amount which he could receive is here. Least amount is very clear, is $18, and largest amount he can receive is $27, and that's it.